very shortly, it was about how we can become more relevant institutions for our users.
Thank you.
Or reduce your feeling of freedom during the usage of the tool. In this case, you actually need a finished tool. This is no. Well, if you feel, then do it.
Yeah.
If everyone in the group.
I thought of that. So now you have your chance of.
The workshop today, what was it about?
It was about how we, as institutions, can use GLO, generic learning outcomes, to become more relevant for our users. And we do this by asking them what they need, know before they come here, or use, or prefer. So we listen to them how they want the experience to be, instead of thinking that we know how their experience should be.
Oh, perfect. And how is the working when once you ask the questions? What do you do then?
Well, you actually need to find out what effects, what outcomes you want from something. Let's say an exhibition. You decide what effects you want the exhibition to have on your visitor. Then you need to ask yourself, what do I need to find out in order to make these effects happen? Then you need to ask yourself, who do I ask this question in order to get the answer of how I get this effect to happen? And then you find out how you ask it. So you end up with some sort of interview, questionnaire, post-it exercise, etc.
Super, perfect. So it gives you a method for asking the right question, getting the right answers.
Yeah.
Super. So the second statement is.
And the new methods I've learned today is with three stars in the wish method, or asking your visitors.
Yeah. Super. Thank you. I'm recording now.
Okay. Thanks to the workshops, I now realize and understood how important it is to ask our guests what is important for them. Because very often we have so many ideas, we want to implement so many things, but the most crucial thing is just to ask our guests if they like this solution, or maybe they have some other ideas.
Perfect.
I am not really from the museum, so I had a bit different kind of experience. Today I thought that maybe what I learned today during this workshop could be used also at the university, because students should also be asked what they really need.
Super, thank you.
You're recording?
Now I am.
You are now, okay.
Can I do it? Yeah, sure.
In today's workshops, I really liked the idea of post-it method to evaluate the user experience, and I really like the method of observing the tourists in the exhibition and spying on them a little to find out what are their reactions. So yeah, that was great suggestions.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Be flexible, just to switch from your pre-arranged planning.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Question, advisors, and then lastly method. Always lastly. Any objections?
Rise ecological consciousness. What do the users know about the nature? What do they know about environmental problems? We ask families, and we ask